Very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, written by Adrienne Rich. Adrienne C. Rich was born on May 16, 1929, and she died on March 27, 2012. She was born in Baltimore, USA. She was an American poet, essayist, and feminist. She was called one of the most widely read and influential poets of the second half of the 20th century, and was credited with bringing the oppression of women to the forefront of poetic discourse. She published 25 volumes of poetry, 3 collections of essays, and more than half a dozen other writings. Rich's prose collections are widely acclaimed for their erudite, lucid, and poetic treatment of politics, feminism, history, racism, and many other topics. When we talk about Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, the poet talks about the constraints of married life of a woman, which she experiences every day. The protagonist of the poem, Aunt Jennifer, represents women all over the world, particularly women in America during the 1950s. The poetess Adrienne Rich, through the simple lines of the poem, delineates a woman's struggle with expression and rebellion. The 3 quatrains, that is, 4-line stanzas, expose the desolating effects of patriarchy. In the first stanza, she describes Aunt Jennifer's tigers. These tigers have been made by Aunt Jennifer on tapestry. Though unreal, they are described as bright, crystalline animals that prance around their world of green, that is, the forest. These tigers are certain of who they are and what they want. They are fearless, they are full of courage. They represent fearlessness, assertion, and power. These are the qualities which Aunt Jennifer lacks, and she always wanted to have those qualities. In fact, these tigers symbolize the men who dominate the human society. The second stanza describes Aunt Jennifer and her creative skills. She is doing needlework on a panel and making tigers. See, she's not making flowers, she's making tigers. Her fingers flutter, they shiver, because of the burden of oppression that she has on her. The poet tells about the metaphorical weight of Aunt Jennifer's wedding band and implies that her marriage was unhappy and prevented her from living a life that she wanted. Uncle's wedding band represents the patriarchal society in which she lived. In fact, Aunt Jennifer seems to live her desires of being confident and fearless through the tigers she is making. The last stanza of the poem takes a morbid turn. It describes what would happen when Aunt Jennifer is dead. Her hands will be terrified with the massive weight of Uncle's wedding band. It is evident here that even in her death, she would not win the battle against masculine domination, because Aunt Jennifer as an individual is dead. But there are thousands and millions of Aunt Jennifers in this world who are still undergoing the abusive behavior of the male-dominated world. Even death will not free Aunt Jennifer from her ordeals. The tigers she had made would continue to look proud and unafraid, fearless, full of courage. The poem deals with the woman's struggle against oppression, rebellion in a patriarchal society. Thank you.